P2P trading, also known as peer-to-peer trading, refers to the direct exchange of goods, services, or assets between individuals without the involvement of intermediaries such as companies or organizations. In this type of trading, individuals can engage in buying and selling transactions with one another, often facilitated through online platforms or marketplaces. P2P trading has gained popularity with the rise of digital technology and the Internet, as it enables individuals to connect and transact with each other globally. It allows for more personalized and direct interactions between buyers and sellers, offering several advantages over traditional retail or business-to-consumer models. Here are some key characteristics of P2P trading. Direct transactions. P2P trading eliminates the need for intermediaries, enabling individuals to engage in direct transactions with one another. Buyers and sellers can negotiate prices, terms, and conditions without the involvement of a middleman. Decentralization. P2P trading operates on a decentralized model, meaning there is no central authority or controlling entity overseeing the transactions. Instead, the trading activities are facilitated through online platforms that connect buyers and sellers. It's important to note that while P2P trading offers various benefits, it also carries risks such as fraudulent transactions or disputes. Therefore, it's crucial for participants to exercise caution, conduct due diligence, and adhere to the terms and guidelines set by the P2P platform to ensure a safe and successful trading experience. As a peer-to-peer, P2P, trader, there are several ways you can earn money. P2P trading involves buying and selling goods or services directly with other individuals, bypassing traditional intermediaries like companies or organizations. Here are some strategies to help you make money as a P2P trader. Identify a niche. Find a specific market or niche where there is demand for P2P trading. This could be anything from vintage clothing and electronics to handmade crafts or digital services. By focusing on a specific niche, you can become an expert in that area and attract customers who are specifically interested in those products or services. Build a reputation. Establishing a good reputation is crucial in P2P trading. Provide excellent customer service, be responsive, and deliver on your promises. Encourage your customers to leave positive reviews or ratings, as this will help build trust and attract more buyers. Research market prices. Stay informed about market trends and pricing for the products or services you are trading. Conduct thorough research to ensure you are buying low and selling at a competitive price. Understanding the market will allow you to maximize your profit margins. Create a strong online presence. Utilize online platforms and marketplaces that facilitate P2P trading, such as social media groups, online classifieds, or dedicated P2P trading websites. Create compelling listings with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing information. Promote your listings across various online channels to reach a wider audience. Negotiate and haggle. P2P trading often involves negotiations and haggling. Develop strong negotiation skills to secure favorable deals. Be prepared to negotiate prices, shipping costs, or other terms with potential buyers or sellers. Finding a win-win solution can help you make more money and build long-term relationships. Offer additional services. Consider offering additional services that complement your P2P trading activities. For example, if you are selling electronics, you could offer device setup or troubleshooting services. By providing value-added services, you can differentiate yourself from competitors and generate additional revenue. Expand your network. Actively network with other P2P traders, potential customers, and industry professionals. Attend trade shows, conferences, or local events related to your niche. Building connections can lead to new business opportunities, partnerships, and referrals. Upsell and cross-sell. When selling a product or service, look for opportunities to upsell or cross-sell. Offer complementary or upgraded items that enhance the customer's experience. For example, if you are selling a camera, you could suggest additional lenses or accessories. This can increase your average order value and overall profit. Provide educational content. Share your knowledge and expertise with others through educational content. Create tutorials, guides, or blog posts related to your niche. This not only establishes you as an authority in your field but also attracts potential customers who may be interested in your products or services. Continuously improve. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, customer preferences, and technological advancements. Adapt your strategies and offerings accordingly to stay ahead of the competition. Continuously improving your skills and knowledge will help you generate more income as a P2P trader. Here's a more detailed explanation of each strategy for earning money as a P2P trader. Identify a niche. Selecting a niche is important because it allows you to focus your efforts and become an expert in a specific area. By specializing in a particular market, you can better understand customer needs, source unique products, and differentiate yourself from competitors. Conduct market research to identify potential niches with high demand and relatively low competition. Build a reputation. Building a strong reputation is crucial for success in P2P trading. Word-of-mouth recommendations and positive reviews from satisfied customers can significantly impact your business. Provide exceptional customer service by being responsive to inquiries, shipping products promptly, and resolving any issues that may arise. Engage with customers professionally and maintain a high level of integrity in all your transactions. Research market prices. Stay updated on market trends and pricing for the products or services you offer. Research what similar items are selling for in both online and offline markets. By understanding the market, you can set competitive prices that attract buyers while ensuring you make a profit. Consider factors like product condition, rarity, and demand when determining your pricing strategy. Create a strong online presence. Establishing a strong online presence is essential for attracting potential customers. Utilize social media platforms, online classifieds, or dedicated P2P trading websites to showcase your products or services. Create compelling listings with detailed descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate pricing information. Actively engage with your target audience through regular posts, promotions, and interactions to increase visibility and generate interest. Negotiate and haggle. Negotiation skills play a vital role in P2P trading. Be prepared to negotiate prices, shipping costs, or other terms with potential buyers or sellers. Approach negotiations with a win-win mindset, seeking mutually beneficial outcomes. Finding a balance between getting a good deal for yourself and providing value to the other party can help establish long-term relationships and increase your earning potential. Offer additional services. Consider offering additional services that complement your P2P trading activities. These services can provide extra value to customers and generate additional income for you. For example, if you are selling handmade jewelry, you could offer customization options or jewelry cleaning services. These add-ons enhance the overall customer experience and can set you apart from competitors. Expand your network. Actively network with other P2P traders, potential customers, and industry professionals. Attend trade shows, conferences, or local events related to your niche to connect with like-minded individuals. Building a strong network can open doors to new business opportunities, partnerships, and referrals. Collaborating with others in your industry can also lead to joint marketing efforts or cross-promotions, expanding your reach and potential customer base. Upsell and cross-sell. Look for opportunities to upsell or cross-sell when engaging with customers. Upselling involves offering higher-priced alternatives or additional features to increase the average order value. Cross-selling involves suggesting complementary products or services that enhance the customer's purchase. For example, if you are selling a smartphone, you could recommend a protective case or screen protector. Effective upselling and cross-selling can boost your revenue while providing more value to customers. Provide educational content. Share your knowledge and expertise through educational content related to your niche. This can be in the form of tutorials, how-to guides, blog posts, or video content. By providing valuable information, you position yourself as an authority in your field, attracting potential customers who may seek your products or services. Educational content also helps build trust and credibility, fostering long-term customer relationships. Continuously improve. P2P trading is a dynamic and competitive field. Stay updated with the latest industry trends, customer preferences, and technological advancements. Keep an eye on your competitors' activities to identify potential opportunities or areas for improvement. Continuously invest in your skills and knowledge by attending relevant workshops, courses, or webinars. Adapting your strategies and offerings to meet changing market demands will increase your chances of success. Remember, earning money as a P2P trader requires a combination of expertise, reputation building, effective marketing, and ongoing self-improvement. It may take time to establish yourself and see consistent earnings, so remain patient, persistent, and adaptable in your approach.